Assalamu alaikum to one and all. Today students, in English language we are going to see about the language study. Now in this, according to the format, question number 1, that is A1, we are going to see for 4 marks. We need to see that in the grammar part we need to get maximum amount of marks, so that when it is been a problematic in writing skill or anywhere else, we are not suffering from the marks cut. Now in the grammar part we can get inshallah the whole of the marks if the concepts are clear. So please be attentive here and have a concentration. We are going to see the first topic, that is compound words. What are compound words? From first onwards, from first standard onwards, you must have been knowing these kind of words. So let us revise them again today. For example, tooth plus paste, toothpaste. Clock plus tower, clock tower. Then we have n number of examples like door plus way, doorway. We are having moon plus light, moonlight, and many other kind of examples which you will be seeing on the screen. Okay. Now such words, what is the definition here? Compound words are formed with the help of merging the two words that can have a meaningful third word formed. Okay. This is called as a compound word. I hope you have understood the concept here, my dear. Now on the screen you must be seeing many of the examples coming up. Now next thing which I want to say in the compound words are, they are sometimes having a hyphen in between. Like the example son-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law. They are also the two words which have been merged into a forming of the compound word. Okay dear?
Now let us start with punctuations. As you have been knowing from lower standards as well, the things which are included in the punctuations are capital letter at the start of the sentence, then we have comma, hyphen, then we have many other things like full stop, double apostrophe, single apostrophe, and whatnot. Let us have the examples now. Now the sentence on the screen you can see, after all he doesn't pay me. Now the first letter here is small letter, it should be capital. Then we see doesn't, see there in doesn't, after n there will be a single apostrophe, and after the sentence completed there should be one full stop, right? Another example we'll take, I asked, can you feed me? Now here I, it should be capital, then after ask there should be single comma, then there should be double apostrophe from can till me, and there should be a question mark there, as if the question has been asked. I asked, can you feed me? Here is the corrected sentence. Next topic will be find the hidden words from the given word. Now they may be, instructions may be there in the bracket, at least 4 alphabet words. Now the words will be of bigger spelling, like one word here I am giving the example, repeated, repeated. From that we can make the smaller words of 4 alphabets like deep, DEEP, tree, TREE, drape, DRAPE, repeat, REPEAT. It may go more than 4 alphabet, but it should not be less than 4 alphabet. Another examples we are going to take here are monumental, spirituality, international, conference, information. Let us solve them now. Now when we say monumental, the words which will come in it are movement, mental, mint, mount. For spirituality, the words will come as spirit, ritual, spiral, spiritual, international. Now, the words which we can join more than 4 alphabet or 4 alphabet are national, nation, intent, train, learn. Now the another word we are going to see is conference. From conference we can make the word CONE, cone, FENCE, fence, force, enforce, and cure. Now for information we can make the words like inform, information, nation, formation, formal, train. Okay, have you understood the concept? This will also give you 1 mark for sure. If you have concentrated and understood this concept, and this concept is not new one, it was already known to you, but it's just a repetition of the things which I have gone through. Now the other thing which is very easy is spot the error and rewrite the sentence correctly. Now if you have been reading continuously, as we have been told that reading is the most important source to understand the language and improve ourselves. Now if you have been reading continuously the textbook, then you can solve this very easily. Mostly what happens is there is always an error which is put in mostly in the verb. You will have to find out that. Now the example is birds eats grain. Here instead of eats it should come eat. So the correction will be birds eat grain. Second example, I think more and more people should do meditation. Now things is there, THINKS, S should not be there. So I think more and more people should do meditation. The second example is how are she to get into the royal presence. Now here how are is given, as she is the only person there, as it is a singular, so we will say how is she to get into the royal presence. Okay, and the question mark will be there. So these are the examples of spot the error.